start this question, I'm going to write down the questions that we want to divide. So make it quite small just so I can fit them all in. Nice. Then it's worth just thinking about some of the factors. So I could maybe even write down the prime factors. So this is 2 times 31. Here we've got 7 times 9, or we could even divide it by 3. That's worth kind of paying attention to. Actually, I'm not going to circle them, but I'm just going to stop when I get to the primes. Here I've got 8 squared. Okay, so that's divisible by quite a lot actually. 5 goes into this one. It's 5 times 13. This is 6 times 11. Which we can split into 2 and 3. 67 is actually prime. 68, I've got 2 times 34 and then 2 times 17. 69, 3 goes into that. 3 times 23. And then this is 7 times 10, which I can split into 2 and 5. Okay, we want to divide it by numbers 1 to 9. So actually some things come straight out of this. The 67, because it's prime, going to have to use the 1 for. So kind of, obviously you have to like explain this as you're going along. I'm just going to give a summary of the solution. But yeah, I've dealt with this one. And then also 62 is 2 times 31. So it's got to be, use 2 for this one. 7 is one to look out for. Okay, I got 70 and I got 63. All right, I have to take a bit more time with that one. What else can we see? I've got 2 and 68. Okay, 68 is actually going to be 4 times 17. I've already used 2, I've already used 1, so I've got to use 4 here. It's not the only way you can do this, by the way, but I'm just giving one possible route. Trying to get the 9 one now, I think. So 63 has got 9 that goes into it. And actually, that's the only one. Yeah, that is a multiple of 9 here. Okay, so I've got to use 9 there, which means that I'm not going to use the 7. So the 7's got to be used over here with the 70. Okay. 8. Right, 8 has got to be the 64. And then 65's got to be 65. Then this is going to be 6 or 3, but this one's 3, so 6 here and 3 here. Nice one. Now, not quite finished, but obviously, yeah, some sort of explanation, like I've just done verbally, but in writing, and that'll do a good job here. But finally, we're actually asked, we're told that they were divided in some order by these integers, resulting in 9 integers. So we've actually got to work out these divisions. I'm going to get 31, 7, 8, 13, 11, 67, 17, 23, and 10. Okay, so let's add these together. Right, I'm just going to pick some ones to add. So I've got 17 and 13. That's quite nice to add. That's going to get me 30. Then 40. These two actually are going to add to give 90. So far, I've got 130 from these purple boxes. Let's carry on. Yeah, these look a bit, okay, 11 and 8 gives 19. Add that to 31 is going to give 50, and then 57. So overall, the sum of the 9 integers is going to be 187. It says possible values of s, there is only one value. So logically worked out what we have to divide by. That's the only possible way. And this is our answer.